Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. So today I'm going to be doing a sound test and honest review of the Sound Ordnance B-8PTD powered subwoofer. So if you don't really care about the review portion, just want to get a sound test, I'll put a timestamp right here. So I've had this subwoofer for about a month now, roughly, and so I've given it the time to see how it's held up, how it's sounded, and so far it's been amazing. It's been really good. And for the price tag, I think it's $169.99, so $170. You really cannot complain. It gives really solid bass. Okay, first off, if you want a subwoofer that's gonna be like thumping and shaking your car, this really isn't a subwoofer for you. It's just not powerful enough or big enough. But for $170, the amount of bass it does produce is plenty and is like the perfect amount. I usually put it up to full 100%, and it's plenty for me. So I'll show you my setup here, how I've got it set up. So I installed mine under my seat here. I was originally going to install it in the trunk, but what's so great about this subwoofer is it's so small and compact. It fit like just perfectly under the rear seat. Not the rear seat, sorry, the passenger seat. And install process was super easy. We just drilled a few holes in the carpet, and we wired it up through the middle console and up into the infotainment center, which I installed in my past video. You can go watch that one. So here are the settings that I use. Once again, as you can see, I put it up to 100%, so 15. So with 15, it's personally, I mean, at least my parents' perspective, they think that's even a bit much. So even when I like to turn it down if I'm casually, just down to 10. 10 is like kind of the perfect amount, but I like to put it up to 100% if I really want to get a good nice thump. So yeah, I think that's my settings. I don't do phase. But yeah, I think we can get into the sound test then. Alright guys, that was my review and sound test of the Sound Ordnance B-8PTD powered subwoofer. So yeah, overall I get 5 stars. It's amazing, bang for the buck. It packs a very large punch for the money. And yeah, so I'll leave a link in the description if you want to purchase it for yourself. Not sponsored, just by the way. And yeah, so thanks for watching, and I'll see you next time. Bye.